Go to your messenger and update your messenger if it is available, and then minimize Play Store and go to your messenger now. Then click here. Scroll down a little bit. Click Privacy and Safety. Click Message Delivery and click Others on Facebook and click Message Request. Make sure that tick mark on Message Request and minimize it and go to your settings and scroll down. Click App Management or Apps. Click App List. Search here. Messenger. Click Messenger. Click Storage Uses and click Clear Data or Storage Keys. Click OK and go back and click Force Stop and minimize your messenger. And now again go to your messenger and you will see it's new, no login, just press installed. Choose your ID and log in. And everything will be okay.